into a mobile app. That is something that I already did technically with Bodybox, but we can do it again just to show it. Today is gonna be a long day. GitHub is becoming such a shit show, guys. So far, I think it's been months. Okay, not that much, but I'm not using GitHub Web App at all those days. Just use it to store my code. Which MacBook is? M4. Codex sucks at UI. It's gonna take a while also because we set it up with extra high. So what I wanna do in the meantime is I wanted to explain a couple of things that I wanted to put in a video but didn't have time. So first of all is my skill setup. I just want to show one that I've been liking a lot. Let me see if I can find my skill. That is this one. I think it's called open source. 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 Mm, it's not in my MCPs. No. Open source. Open source. Versal. Oh, we can do it in skill.sh. Yes. I think they have it here. Open source. Here we go. I think I failed to install. We can install 80. Is this from Versal, like the right one? I think so. Okay, it should be this one. Let me see. Oops. How to get hacked 101. Oh no, they have the. So that's how you install skills. And since you're a degen like me, we're gonna install it globally via same link. Let's proceed here. And what I want to show you with this skill, that this project is really cool. I like it a lot. Basically, what you do is you can use it to read repositories, or better, you can use it to make your agent read repositories. So usually, when your agent doesn't know what the fuck a repo is made of, for example, Daytona, you can either use a specific Daytona skill set, or what you can do is you can use the open source. How is it spelled? Open source. Okay. Or you can use the open source skill and tell it, look, Daytona, it's open source, Daytona repo. Here. You tell your agent, look, Daytona is open source. This is their repo. Just, just search what you need in the repo itself. Now, this is good for esoteric projects. Daytona is not that esoteric, but something, for example, like effect. No, not this one. Effect. Yes. So this is a huge. I don't know what to call it. I think it's a library. It's it's super cool. It has a bunch of packages that are really needy when you need to build AI apps, when you need to build apps in general. But this code base is huge, like really huge. And there are a bunch of esoteric stuff. So what you can do is you go to your agent, you go to the open source skill, DeepSeek before launching soon. Okay. And you just tell the agent, look, you have this repo, search for the all the esoteric shit you want there direct. So and that's a really nice way of giving updated informations to your agent because most models those days just use web fetch, but you never know if they find the right thing or not. So if you give them the right repo, it's gonna be a lot better. Right thing or not. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, this is my uh, how do I explain this? This is my macOS app made in Swift that is like a task manager. So it's like build the Lovable clone. So you just a Pomodoro timer, you do this. But the killer feature is that you can spawn ducks and you can burst ducks. Killer feature. If you want it, DM me. I will send you the repo. It's open source, it's free. And yeah, I made it just for fun. Another thing that I made for fun, but that is really cool, is this body right extension. So it's like Whisperflow and Grammarly merged together. So what they do is, for example, this code base is as please fix it. What it does is I do Command Shift 1 and it starts to yeah it fix your grammar, and I'm using either GPT 5.4 Nano that is plenty enough and it's basically free to correct your grammar, or you can use MLX models, so stuff, so open source models like Gemma 4, some quantized version of Quan, etc. So that's pretty cool. And what I was implementing today is dictation, but I don't know if it works yet. So let's say I want to record when I press shift this. Okay. Let's see if it works. No, it didn't even try. Oh, I think I need to accept it, like accept the settings. Let me see. So voice, yeah, enable dictation permissions. Enable. Open settings. Oh, nice. I don't see the app here. Okay. Yeah, we need to make a bunch of fixes. But I already made a standalone app for dictation, but I never used it. I didn't find it really good. So I tried to merge it inside here. And also this is fully open source, I think. Let me see. It's in my website. I think I have the repo in my website. One sec. Yeah, it's this one. So it's body grammar. And you have the whole repo here. So you can just use it if you want. I suggest you at least ask your agent if the code is secure because I cannot say it for sure. New Quen model introducing Quen 3.6 Max preview. Oh, nice. So now um, I wanted to show you how do I publish my tweets. Okay, one sec. I'll show you something. So I copy the tweets. Let me get my Telegram. One sec. I go to my Telegram. This is my private group where I share news with some acquaintances, friends, people. So let's say it's in the AI Insights. I send the tweet. I wait a sec. The agent is processing the tweet, is extracting the context, and it's creating a message for the group. It sends it here. I copy it. I reply to the message. And let me remove stuff that I am not interested in. When announce an early preview of Quan 2.6 Max. Then I click send, and it sends it automatically in the group. Tell me this stuff is not cool. Tell me with a straight face. Also, it gives me a around 280 character tweet to send to my Mirai thingy. So I will post it later because if I do it now, it messes up everything. But I just send the post here. So also, if you want to stay updated with all the recent AI news, you can either follow me here on Mirai News, or you can go to news at bodytools.org, and I have here all the news that you need. So everything that I repost is here. Mm, it's time for us. Oh, okay. I need to understand how to enable the web previewing codecs. How to use a browser previewing codecs. They just released it, but I cannot find the settings for it. Oh, Command Shift B. Command Shift B. No, it's. I already used that for something. Let me remove it. Extensions. Extensions. Raycast. Raycast. Raindrop. Let's do hyperkey B, and let's try Command Shift B here. Oh, here we go. Okay. Love it. Love it, love it. Okay, it's just in the sidebar then. Nice. Nice, nice. So you can see previews here. So if I run a dev server, let me try. Here, bunny bd. If I run a web server, then it means that here I can see my localhost server. Let me get a localhost URL. Here we go. Try comment mode. Push your comments for codecs with a single click. That's so fucking cool. Why cannot be reached? Oh, I need to create a project. Create a project. My project is Cloud project, US East. Yes. Uh, yeah. I need to set up the clerk JWT. Okay, give me just a second. We'll do it. Uh, let me get the let me get a new clerk project. Dashboard. Go, go. GitHub. Create application. Let me also bring this to the other page so I can paste the EMBs. Give me 1 second. Here we go. So I need it for Tanstack. Here, EMB, Tanstack, and this is done. And I also need the JWT token, JWT. Here we go, convex. Here, let me set it on in clerk. Here we go. This is done, and this is also done. Oops. Run that. Okay, let me see if it works now. No, perfect. Here, and oxide, someone would say. Uh, 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 we need to wait because I cannot fix the TypeScript errors before it finishes. Oh, looks like it's done. Okay. Make sure to run and fix. Okay. I'm gonna die. Do, 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 do. Come on, OpenAI. Release this GPT-5.5. Do it for us. Do it for us. We deserve it. No, I don't think so, but still. Let's see. Mm. Okay, now we should be able to run the dev server. Technically, I can. Oh, what the fuck is it doing? Is it running convex locally? No. Okay. Technically, I can run it also via here, but I always prefer to have it in an IDE just because. Let me close the sidebar. Let me see. Now it's a 10 stock issue. We are going places. Mm-mm-mm. I think today we are just gonna set up the project and then I will run the authentication uh, off stream just because I need to create a GitHub client, I need to set up the 2FA, etc. But let's also try to give it a style using Opus, and then we can close the stream. Today is gonna be a smaller one just because I don't feel that well, but I wanted to come back streaming just because I think it's pretty cool and it's pretty chill, I guess. Start the fucking server. Convex, the new blogger is that the web app are requiring clerk, but I have the clerk thingy. What? Maybe I didn't save the .env. Give me a second. env.local? Bro, the keys are there. What the fuck? What is he smoking? Oh, he figured it out. Okay, let's see. Let me close this. Let me try again. Okay, still same issue. Oh, this looks clean. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, I have an idea on how to see when GBT 5.5 is gonna ship. Holy markets. Let's see the insiders. What are the insiders saying? Uh, GBT 5.5. We have an 80% chance. Ooh, April 23, 23rd, 23. So it's in 3 days. Crazy. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if the insiders really know what they're talking about. They usually do, so I wouldn't go against them. What the fuck is Codex doing? Hello, Codex. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Oh, ah, ah, bro. I just hope that the GBT 5.5 is really better UI because this is not acceptable. Okay, I will show you a quick trick. First, go to Twixian and decide a theme. We are gonna use this because I fell in love with it. So code, do it like this, then open your terminal and really, but not this one because you cannot paste images, I think. Just go here, do like this. Use Opus in wherever harness you prefer. The, the current UI is completely shit and needs to be made all over again. Use this Shatsihan theme and make the app minimal and neo-brutalist. Please redo the whole UI and use sub-agents. Use this theme only. Okay. So with just this simple prompt, we are gonna have at least something usable. Right now, I'm shitting myself with this. Mm, Let's see if I have enough AMP credits, but I think I do. Then I'm using the smart version, like smart mode. So they're using Opus. I don't know if they updated it to Opus 4.7. I'm not that sure, honestly. I'm quite sure that they are using Opus. No, you don't need to fetch the theme. You install the theme. Make sure you're using the Shatsian components. I think that there is an issue, quote unquote, with the banx create command. Like, it doesn't initialize Shatsian. I think. I'm not super sure. What the fuck is he doing? Why is he initializing Shatsian? I want to show you one last thing before we close. Let's first wait for the thingy to change. Then I will show you something that it feels illegal. Let's wait for this. Okay, it's spawning subagents. Let's see. Let's see it change in real time. Oh, you know one really fun thing that you can do now? Uh, let me get one of my logos. One sec. Images. Okay, something like this, for example. Using the theme and style of this image, can you create a logo for my app, please? Choose an animal and a characteristic trait. Let's see. Because now codecs can use GPT 1.5, so you can create also images. Okay, the subagents are still running. Let's see what they are gonna cook. Oh, today which atelier? Let's which atelier day. Okay, no, no, definitely no. Uh, Let me give it more instructions. Uh, okay, I want to make Simple, chibi, something related to love. Mermaid. Yeah, mermaid. With a funny hat. Let's try like this. But here it's changing in real time, by the way. So you can start seeing the changes. It's already a lot better, honestly. Mm. We are gonna hear a ding when it's done. So let's wait for the mascot in the meantime. Oh, this is cute, but it's good for a detergent company probably. Okay, okay, okay. I like this. Perfect. Use it as a logo and as a favicon. The thing that I wanted to show you that I said it feels almost illegal is this. Let me open the terminal. And do you know you can use cursor inside codecs, cursor agents via their CLI? I will show you. If you write cursor agent, you trust the workspace. I need to see if I still have credits. I don't know, honestly. I have Composer 2 here. So I can ask it, for example, please remove and change this to just vibe code your app into reality. Uh, we need to change the headline first. No, and okay, we can make the title just um, the apps that you love. uh, build love. I decided that. Make the main header. Yeah, why not? Mm. Okay, another tip. Opus is really good at copywriting as well. So, can you use the humanizer skill and please redo all the typography inside the landing page? Make it catchy and don't explain techie stuff. This app is made for non-technical users. I mean, and some people will tell me, but you are using GitHub. How the fuck is for non-technical users? But you know, at least we don't explain that we use Daytona Convex and all this kind of shit. Like we explain it later. We don't confuse the user. Can you please make the logo transparent so we can use it better? Remove the word builder from the navbar. Just keep Erosa. So you can see here we can use Composer. It's so fast, and you have really nice limits. So yeah, you can use Composer. You can use Cursor inside Codex. Little hack for you. So we have here the title. Okay. Okay. Uh, the logo is white on white. So, please use the dark mode version of the theme. Okay. Can you please create a cool component on the timeline thingy? So something that looks like GitHub branches. Always use the front end skill, just to remind you. Okay. Okay, now the logo looks better. Can you please make the logo and the title better and more visually appealing, like and bigger in the navbar? Also, they continue with GitHub, just change it to sign in. Okay, let's see. One last thing will be to make the website fully mobile friendly, one thing at a time. Oh, the fuck is this? Okay, sign in is correct now. Okay. Yeah, remove the border on the icon. Just make the icon bigger so we can see it better. Okay, here is done. Let me create a new thread. Can you make sure the UI is fully mobile responsive? And that's it. Always tell him to use the skills when use the front end skill when you create a new thread because he doesn't save it, so he doesn't know that he needs to use it. Make also the title bigger, please. Make sure it's that the ratio is correct between the PNG of the icon and the title. Let's see. Because I think the logo it's too high. Probably we are gonna keep only half of the mermaid. But then how do you know it's a mermaid? Good question. We'll see. And right now we can see it's a bit stretched. Let's see it full screen. Yeah, at full screen it's totally stupid. Okay, please just make it as it was before. Right now it looks completely stupid. So keep it navbar style, like the usual dimensions. Oh, he fixed it. Uh, no, it isn't. Didn't fix it. Mm, He made it responsive, I guess. Yes, it's doing the responsiveness thingy. Let's fix it also in the main page. Okay, it's dictated. Okay, now it's better. What the fuck is this workspace? Wherever, whenever, wherever. Oops. Mm, Okay, I think we are on a good starting point. Let's end the stream here. Thank you for thank you for watching, my beloved friends, brothers, sisters, and everything in between. And I think we'll see each other either tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, if I don't die. And yeah, thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any question about my tech stack, my AI coding agents, my wherever. You can DM me on Twitter, you can send me a fax, you can try to find where I live, wherever you guys prefer. And with that, I leave you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.